When you think of an elephant, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Probably their incredible size, right? Their trunks, their tusks. But what's really going on behind those eyes? That question, well, it challenges everything we thought we knew about animal intelligence.
So let's just ask it straight up. What does an elephant see when it looks in a mirror? It sounds like such a simple question, but the answer opens a window into a truly remarkable mind. Does it see another elephant? A stranger? A rival? Or does it see itself? That's the huge mystery we're going to unpack today.
All right, so let's get into it. Before we jump to the answer, we really need to understand why this one simple question is such a massive deal in the world of animal intelligence.
What we're really talking about here is self-recognition. And this isn't just about having good eyesight. This is a huge cognitive leap. It's that aha moment of realizing, hey, that's me. It's proof that an animal understands it's a distinct individual, separate from the world around it. And let me tell you, this ability is incredibly rare. It's a very exclusive club. Humans, we get there around age 2. But beyond us, you're looking at a tiny list. Great apes, dolphins, even magpies have made the cut. This is like the Ivy League of animal cognition. And that leaves us with a big question. Do elephants get an invitation? So to figure this out, scientists came up with a brilliantly simple experiment. It's famously known as the mirror test. And this is exactly how they cracked the case. So here's how it works. First, they put a huge elephant-sized mirror in the enclosure. Then, they put a little mark, using some harmless paint, on the elephant's face. The key is, it's in a spot they can only see in the reflection. And now, the moment of truth. The elephant sees the mark in the mirror, but what does it do? It doesn't touch the mirror. It uses its trunk to touch the spot on its own face.
And that one simple move, that's everything. It's the whole ballgame. Touching the mark on its own body is undeniable proof. The elephant gets it. It knows the reflection is itself. It has a sense of me. It passed the test, plain and simple.
So, okay, they can recognize themselves. That's incredible. But what does that really tell us? Well, this kind of self-awareness is powered by some seriously impressive biological hardware. Get this, an elephant's brain weighs a staggering 5 kilograms. It is by far the largest of any land animal on the planet. But it's not just about size. It's packed with complexity, especially in an area called the hippocampus, which is basically mission control for memory and emotion.
And a brain that powerful gives them some just astonishing abilities. We're talking about memories that can last for decades. They can remember a specific person or a place or another elephant they haven't seen in years. They totally understand their place in their complex social world and can even plan for the future.
But their intelligence goes so much deeper than just memory and planning. It's incredibly emotional. Elephants are known to grieve. They'll sometimes stay with a herd member who has passed away for days, gently touching their bones. They show real empathy, comforting a young elephant that's upset, and they form these deep bonds that can last a lifetime. This self-awareness isn't just an intellectual thing. It's tied directly to a profound emotional life. So, what does this all add up to? Knowing that they're self-aware, that they're this emotionally complex, it should fundamentally change how we see them. It really all comes down to this. The next time you see an elephant, just remember you're not just looking at a large animal. You are looking at a sentient, self-aware being that has remarkable intelligence and deep emotions. You're looking at an individual that knows it exists.
And that leaves us with one final thought to reflect on. Knowing that an elephant can look in a mirror and think, that's me. Knowing that they can grieve and show empathy. How does that change our responsibility to them and their place in our world?